Hi, hello, and welcome. It's me, Vignesh here, and this is your favorite B and Data channel. Today, we'll be seeing some more components of Power BI. For that, let's pass on to our video.
In the last video, we have seen how to install Power BI Desktop and give an overview about it. In this video, we will be seeing what are the data sources available in Power BI Desktop and I will be showing how to connect with few of the data sources in it. This is the data source or get data. This is a place where you can connect data sources to Power BI Desktop. This is the files available in it: Excel, CSV, XML, JSON, and so on. Database. These are the databases available to connect to Power BI: SQL, MySQL, Postgre, Sybase, and many more. You can go through it. This is a Power BI platform dataset, data flow, datasets, and so on. This is Azure connectors, which is available for Power BI Desktop. Azure SQL database, Cosmos DB, and many more available in the Azure platform. These are the online services: SharePoint list, Google Analytics, Dataanalytics, Salesforce object reports, and many more. These are some of the extra things that is web, SharePoint list, data feed, big data platforms like Hadoop, then R scripting, Python script, and many more is available in it. You can check it out by yourself. I'm going to import a CSV file into the Power BI Desktop now. I'm going to use a COVID dataset that is acquired from WHO. It's in CSV file. I'm going to load it now. The data is being loaded now. And the model is being generated. As you can see, the data is successfully loaded into the Power BI Desktop now. And when we jump on into the data view, you can see the structure of the data loaded into it. This is a date column, country code, country, WHO region, new cases, cumulative cases, new deaths, cumulative deaths. As you can see, the country code is a text and date. Country code is a text, country is a text, new cases is a whole number, and cumulative cases is a whole number, and new deaths is a whole number. Country code is text, and cumulative deaths and date. Date reported as a date format, that is a date. And it can add a new column to it too, and a new column. As you can see, the column name is column itself, and you can add a new column to it. Now I'm cancelling it. Let's see on the model. This is the model generated. when we load the data into the Power BI. This is the reporting area. Now I'll show you how to load the data from the website directly into the Power BI. I'm going to use the same COVID data which I downloaded from WHO. Now we'll be connecting it directly from the website. As you can see, the data is in the table format. I'll copy the URL from the WHO, and now we are going to take database and the data from using the web. I'll be entering the URL now, and OK. As you can see, the data is getting loaded now. So I want to see table solution. As you can see, the table is being drawn into this. But you can see that there are some headings missing. There is no name there, or cumulative total dates, or total cumulative dates. That is only from the United States it available. There are a few more things missing in it. So we'll be add table using examples. We'll enter how the data must come. For example, I'm going to use like only 3 columns. I'm going to draw from the web. First is name, so the heading must be name. The column name must be name. The column 2 name must be cases cumulative total, and then cases newly reported. So that is the header of the data table. Now with that, I'm going to draw it from United States around, from United States till last. That is United States of America. Okay. As you can see, it is automatically fills on all the other list. The count is 605044. Now it automatically gets filled on fully. Now for the next thing, it's 39402. It will get automatically filled. Now OK. That is the table 2 which I have been created. As you can see, the name is that table header. The data is being loaded now into the Power BI desktop. This is the data which I have loaded from the web, which is the web connector. Name, that's text. Cases cumulative, that is a whole number, and cases new, that is 2 whole number. This is the model. Since there is no relationship between the world, there is no connecting or relationship shown between them. As you can see, there is only some of the data loaded. That is because the data gets refreshed when I scroll it down. The data will be taken from only that space where the first it is loaded. It will take a screenshot of it and it will be loading into the web page. This is connecting with the SQL Server database or DBs. Since I don't have a DB, I'll just show you how to connect it. Suppose the DB is in 172.130 or 168, say some other number, that's something. The database is located in the system and the database name is test. I can enter the details and then I'll give a SQL statement, a select statement or any sort of functions included. If I give it OK, The data will be loaded into this. It will be asking two things, that is a username and a password of the database if it is available. After that, like general query, self query, it will be loaded into this. Since I don't have a database in the system, I can't show it that. But there is a way how can I connect with it. This is how we will connect with different data sets or the data connectors. Actually, three. There are many more things which you can connect with, like cloud or something. This is a Power Query editor. This is where you can edit the data or like data processing thing. I'll be letting you know, or like I'll show how it is the Power Query editor works in the next thing, and what are the things available in Power Query editor. I'll show you in the next video. Sure, right.
Cut.